sweet blossoms, I'm Nazanin. Welcome to my crochet corner. Today I'll show you how to crochet this cute scrunchie. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and you can finish it in less than 10 minutes. You only need leftover yarns. It doesn't matter what kind of yarn, and a crochet hook that matches with your chosen yarn. I'm using velvet yarn with 4mm crochet hook, and you'll need a hair elastic and lighter. So grab your hook and yarn and let's jump in. Use lighter for burn first of the tail of the yarn. Make a slip knot on your hook and insert your hook in the hair tie. Grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops and make a chain. Here is our first half double crochet. Now we're gonna make a half double crochet in all around. It's up to your hair tie measurement. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the hair tie, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through all the loops. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook in the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through all the loops. Do this for the all around it. Just make a half double crochet in all around. I made a 22 half double crochet in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first half double crochet, and now all we need to do is that make a chain 2, and now we're gonna make 3 half double crochet into each next stitches. For the first one we need 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. With the first chains it will be 3 stitches, and now for then each next stitches all we need to do is that make 3 crochet. The third one, 3 double crochet for each next stitches. If you want you can make it in double crochet stitches, it's up to you. Do this until you reach to the end. In the end, just insert your hook in the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Don't forget that you must burn your tail of the yarn, and using the needle. Swing your ending your rows. Here is our first. Actually, the end stitch, the second, the third one. Bring it out, insert it again inside the last one, and that's it. Secure it between the tail of the between the stitches in the wrong side, and move very slowly between the stitches, and after that cut it very close to the stitches, burn it, and that's it. And for this one too, secure it between the stitches and cut it very close to the stitches, burn it carefully, and done. Here is our little hairtie scrunchie. Okay, if you crochet more stitches in the first round, your scrunchie will have a fuller, wavier look. If you'd like it to be even fluffier, you can simply add one more round to it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out my next crochet tutorial. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video. Bye.